Okay, guys, in this video, we are going to review integrals of type dx dy, line integrals. This is a line, and actually just a line segment that starts at 0, 0, and it ends at 8, 4. Now, the parameterization they want us to use is they just want us to use x equals t, and if we denote x by t, then we can see that y equals 1/2 t. To know how t changes, we know that we denoted x equal t. So t will change the same way that x changes. And you can see that x here goes from 0 to 8. So we're going to be integrating from 0 to 8. It's a little bit of a different parameterization than the standard parameterization for a line segment. But we're going to go from 0 to 8. Okay. And we got our parameterization. Now, for the first term, this goes as 5x. So whenever I see x, let me see if I can use a different color. So here I see x, so x is here, x is here. I'm going to substitute t for that, right? And so this will become 5t minus 7. And then instead of x, I put t. Okay, what about y? So y will be 1/2 t. So that will go here. Now also I see one more x in this part, but we haven't gotten that yet. And so let's go ahead and put for y 1/2 t. So we got that part. Now this will be dx. What does dx stand for? Dx, think of it as like derivative of x. So derivative of x, what was derivative of t? Well, that's 1. So that's just going to be 1. And that's multiplied by dt, but we'll just write dt at the end. Okay, so then we have plus. Instead of x squared, we're going to put t squared. Instead of dy, that's derivative of y, which is going to be 1/2. Okay, so this whole thing is multiplied by dt. Now let's see if we can combine like terms, if there are any. Let's see. So we got 5t minus 7/2 t squared, and then plus 1/2 t squared. So I want you to remember that every time you're integrating, you need to combine like terms before you start integrating anything. So if it's possible to simplify, you're supposed to simplify. Don't just blindly integrate. Okay, negative 7/2 plus 1/2 is negative 6/2, which is just 3. So this will become 3t squared. And now we're ready to integrate. So this will become 5t squared divided by 2 minus, this is just 3t cubed, because derivative of t cubed is 3t squared. And then we are substituting 0, 8. So lucky for us, we don't really have to worry about substituting 0, because that's just going to be 0. So it'll become 5 times 64 divided by 2 minus whatever is 8 cubed. And if we use a calculator, we should be able to just see what that is. So it's 5 times, well, that's just 32 minus 8 cubed. Okay, it's negative 352.